All right, now we are going to do the handkerchief box. So you are going to need a 5.5 by 9.5 paper. So I'm going to do the 9.5 this way, and then 5.5. Nine and a half. Then we're going to cut this out. Now we're going to place dots at the top and bottom at 1 inch, 4.5 inches, 5.5 inches, and 9. So 1 inch, 4.5 inches, 5.5 inches, and 9. Now at the top, 1 inch, 4.5 inches, 5.5 inches, and 9. Now we're going to draw lines. Now we're going to place dots on the left and right at 1 inches and 4.5 inches. And draw lines. I figured it out. Okay, so count 1, 2, 3 on the third vertical line at 1.5 and 5 inches. And then on the right edge, 1.5 and 5 inches. Oh, at 1/2. I'm sorry, that didn't look right. So it's at 1/2 and 5 inches. That works a lot better. So on this line and at the right edge, do 1.5 and 5 inches. And now we're going to draw lines here. Now place dots on these lines at 1.5 and 3 inches. Then we're going to place dots on the right edge at 1.5 and 4 inches. Draw lines from the corners to the dots. Oh. I think this is wrong. I'm looking at the diagram. I think it's supposed to be 1/2. But I'm not sure. Drew those lines, and then on these lines, oh, okay, I did do it wrong. At these lines at 1/2 and 3 inches. 1/2 and 3 inches, not 1.5. Then place dots on the right edge at 1.5 and 4 inches. That's where that came from. So I was wrong here. It should be 1/2, not 1.5. And then we're gonna cut this part out. And we're gonna cut here, and we're gonna cut here, and we're gonna cut here and here, because this is folded into a box. It looks like some type of lid. Alright, then we are going to fold up and in. Fold. I'm going to use tape to make this box. Alright, we're going to fold these in. Then what we have here is a little handkerchief box. Let's see how many of my handkerchiefs I can put in it. 4. There is the handkerchief box. I put too many in it. What fits 3 handkerchiefs for me?